gusto nga magtrabaho. Oo, ganyan, sa pisa. Okay, need to watch now.
First five from Team Kumitnana. Jumbo situation between number 02 and number 30. Ang laban po natin ay ngayon ay SCM Wolves versus Onsite Dragons. Takin po tayo lahat. Jumbo situation. Nakuha na. Dire-diretso. Easy 2 points para sa onsite. Magandang panimula to para sa onsite. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 30. No good. Naribo ni Black ni number 02. Number 30. No good pa rin. Nakipagagawan. Bump sa ilalim. Grabe naman lakas nun. Easy 2 points. Pass to number 13. 202 still. Still again para kay number 13. Pass to number 20. Binigay sa kalaban. Number 20 ngayon. Number 21. Number 21 stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Number 28. Pass to number 21. 3 seconds violation. Bola ngayon ng Wolves. Number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13. Na still number 30. High pass to number 21. Number 21. Easy 2 points. Number 05. Number 05 ngayon. Down to 12 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. No good. Rebound by number. Foul. 30. First personal foul, first team foul. Binigay kay number 22, number 5. Number 5 ngayon, pass to number 02. Lost the handle. Pass to number 20. Nice pass pa rin. Siya pa rin. Number 11. No good pa din. Number 02, bump. Bump, napitawan. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Number 22, number 02. Down to 10. Number 20 taking 3. Masyado malakas. Dire-diretso ngayon. Pass to number 21. Crossover move. Pass to the wide open na si 28. No good. Top by number 30. Same ball. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 21, taking 3 points para kay number 21. Number 13. Number 20. Pass to number 05. Long to short. Nariba ni number 28. Nabitawan ng bola. Number 28. Pass to number 5. Number 5 ngayon. Number 5. Fake. Pass to number 21 again. Fake. Down to 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30. In and out. Number 28 to the rebound. Pass to number 5. 230. Bump. Bump. Bump pa rin. Fires. No good. Rebound by number 13. Ganda naman yun. Number 13. Defense by number 27. Good defense. 8 seconds violation. Good defense para kay number 27. Ganado. number 5, taking 3. No good. Masyado malakas. Number 02. Number 02 ngayon nagmamadali. Number 02 binitbit na. No good. Siya pa rin. Bump. Bounce pass to. Number 5 still. Foul. Foul number 5. 05. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 21. Number 21. Traveling violation. Wala kang hawala. Kay referee. Handball. Number 13. Number 13. Bounce pass to number 02. To number 5. Back to 13. Down to 10 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Short. Air ball. Bola ng Wolves. Score po natin ay 7-2 in favor of STM Wolves. Stop and bump three. No good pa din. Pass to number 05. Number 05. Number 05 to number 11. One hand. Who's ball rep? Ball number 02. First personal foul, second team foul. Pag dead ball po. Number 21. Number 21 ngayon. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Another traveling. Substitution. Substitution. Imbang by number 13 to number 1. Pass to steal ngayon. Nabitawan, same ball. Last 13 seconds to shoot. Number 13, penetrate. Hinagis yung bola, papalabas. Bola na onside. Ay, correction. SCM Wolves. Number 21. Number 21 ngayon. Crossover move. Natapikan. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Dire-diretso. Trailer ah. Number 1 ngayon. Pass to number 13. Wide open. Pass to number 1. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5 bounce pass to number 02. Bump. No good. Natapikan. Number 21, dire-diretso. 3 on 2. 3 on 3. Number 21. Foul. Foul number 05. Ina 05, boss. Sa kabila. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Saan ka galing? Malapit lang babae mo dito? Nakamotor ka ba?
Lahat lang.
Itong pinong no good, na-rebound number 02. Na-rebound nga ni number 23. Pass to number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1. Number 1 setting a play. Number 1. Pass to number 14 fade away. Umandar na. Number 14. Easy 2 points. Number 21 ngayon. Naghanap na mapapasan. Pass to number 28. Trailing the track. To number 30. To number 28 ulit. No good. Siya pa rin. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Binasa. Out of bounds. Bola ng onside Dragon. Hold the ball, ref. Substitution. Number 13. Pass to number 14 again. To number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1. Number 1. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Number 02. 3 seconds to shoot. Number 13, no good. Save. Nakakuha pa rin ni. Oh. Bola ng onside Dragon. Number 1. Pass to number 13. Taking great. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 21. Number 21 ngayon, dire-diretso. Number 21. Number 21. Teardrop. 2 points. Sir, damit po tayo. Number 14, no good. Nakuha ni number 21 na naman. Basunoy. Nalito. Number 1. To number 24. Pass to number 13, teardrop. 2 points. Number 5. Nakakuha ni number 30. Spin, shot. No good pa rin. Na-rebound ni number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1. Number 1 dire-diretso. Bounce pass to number 14. Lost the handle. Bola ng STM Wolves. Number 21. Last 20 seconds on the first quarter. Nabitawan. Grabe swerte. No good pa rin. Foul. Foul number 13. Second na yun, sir. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 10 seconds. Jump to 5. Bounce pass to number 1. Nabitawan. 2 seconds. End of the first quarter. Official score 11-6 in favor of STM Wolves.
Buti ka kumuha pa ako ng ano eh, para. Kahit pangit yun.
Malas lang. Malas lang.
Agree. Bola ng STM Wolves. Tap in po, tap in. Number 13. Pass to number. Taking training out. Nariban ni number 14. Pass to number 03. To number 6. Number 6 ngayon. Ay, number 8. Correction. To number 14. Penetrate. Fires. Siya pa rin. Power rebound. Pass to number 03. On the glass. 2 points. Pass to number 73. Taking two, babawi, no good. Rebound number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Stop and pump three, is short. Na-rebound ni number 04. Number 04 ngayon. Number 04, number 04, nice pass! 2 points para kay number 12. Number 8. Number 8 ngayon, good defense. Foul. Foul number 14. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound by number 8. Pass to number 1. Back again to number 8. Taking break. 3 points para kay number 8. Score po natin ngayon ay 13-11 in favor of SCM Wolves, number 04. Pass to number 14. Babawi sa 3. 3 points. Number 8 ngayon. Number 8. Number 8 crossover, good. Foul again. Foul number 14. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 8 to number 1. Fake. Number 1. Easy basket. Number 04. Crossover move. Pass to number 73. To number 14 again. Masyado na malakas. Bola ng onside Dragons. Number 8. Pass to number 14. Nice pass to number 03. Masyadong malalim ang dukot. Pass to number 73. 73 ngayon. 73, pass to number 14 to number 04. Crossover move. Number 04 natapikan sa likod. Same ball. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Number 04, Toy. Miscommunication between number 12 and 04. Number 1. Pass to. No good. Para kay number 29. Number 6 ngayon. Pass to. Ay, miscom na naman. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Tumuturo ngayon. Okay? Number 8, good defense para kay number 73. No good dinawa. Para kay 03. Okay na. One-on-one. Spin. Natapik ni 03. Parang inagawan ng lollipop. Number 14. Side step. No good pa din. Nakuha nga ni number 8. Number 8, teardrop. No good. Siya pa rin. Siya pa rin. Block from behind. Nakuha ni number 14. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1, teardrop again. Short. Number 1 again. No good pa din. Foul. Foul number 8. Ilan na po? Ilan si number? Isa pa lang. Isa pa lang. First personal foul. First team foul. Still, miscommunication between 03 and number 1. Okay, same ball. Number 03. Pass to number 1. Pass to 03 again. From free throw line, no good na rebound ni number 11. Number 11. Inilalim yung tira. Na-rebound number 6. High pass to. Number 11. Pinali pa. 2 points. Still from behind, number 04, Tion 1. Easy 2 points para kay number 04. Nabigay na po. Okay, sige. Number 1. Number 1, last 10 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8, no good. Same ball. Time out. Onside Dragons. Score po natin ngayon, 2013 in favor of SCM Wolves. Number 13. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Number 1 taking 3. No good. Same ball. Ito mo ko. Pala, umikot pala ito. Lima na lang po ang kalamangan ng STM Wolf. Number 6, pass to number 04, taking Cray, malakas. Nakakuha ngayon eh. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1, pass to number 13. Number 13 ngayon, screen by number 02. Teardrop. We see 2 points para kay number 13. Back to 2. Number 04. Pass to number 6. Number 11. Grabe, foul. Who's ball rep? Foul number 02. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots para kay number 11. Last throw. No good. Naribo ni number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13. Dire-diretso. Number 13, fake. Fires. Short. Again. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Down to 10. Number 02. Hello. Pass to number 20. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Number 1. 3! Para kay number 1. Deadlock po tayo on 20. Number 12, binali sa ilalim. Rebound by number 02. Number 13 again, no good. Na-rebound ni number 02. Foul and 1. Time out! STM Wolves. Basket count para kay number 02. Ilan na yun, boss? Bonus shot. Complete 3-point play. Para kay number 02. Number 04 ngayon. Number 04, pass to number 17, back again. No good. Free rebound. Nakakuha pa rin. Number 6 to number 11. Binali block from behind. Number 13, pass to number 02. Number 02, number 02. Diniretso na. Pinasa pa pala. Hinagis. Number 11. Foul. Who's on left? Foul number 03. First personal foul. Second team foul. Third na? Third team foul. Correction. Foul number 26 ngayon. Foul. Naribo ni number 8. Pass to number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13, dire-diretso, paso number 02. Nice yun. Para kay number 02. Sub daw, pre. Sub daw. 3! Deadlock po pag ano? Dead ball. Number 13. Pass to number 8. Fake. Steal by number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 12. Fake. Fire. No good. Siya pa rin. Foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. 2 shots para kay number 12. No good. Last throw. 1 out of 2 para kay number 12. Number 13 yan. Last 50 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Nakuha ngayon. No good pa din. Puro kanto. 0-4. To number 21. Labas. Tumagos. Bola ng SCM Wolves. Last 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Number 04. One-legged 2. No good. Natapik ni number 6. Niligtas. No good. Last 16 seconds. Down to 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 5. Taking 3 short. No goal. Score po natin ay 26. Deadlock po tayo on 26. Ay, hindi. Bigla kasi nagkaroon. Nalito bigla nagkaroon. Oh, pinagpalit pala. 26.
Special lang ako. Commercial yung referee. Referee na wala. Balik muna ka mo, balik muna. Balik muna. Balik muna, bench. Hindi mo sarili.
Bawal may kape. Kape yan ah. Uy. Happening. Kaya mahirap eh. Dikit eh.
Tagal naman mag-join yung dalawang yun.
Ituhan mo rep.
Okay na.
Back to the ball game.
Sino? Gago, hindi ako. Gago. Gago, hindi ako. Patay tayo dyan.
Number 13 taking three. Knockout rebound by number 30. Number 21 ngayon. Number 21. Number 21 penetrate fires. Good. Score po natin na 28-25 in favor of FCM Wolf. Number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Pass to number 1. Teardrop. Parang Russian round to. No? Russian round yun ah. Number 04. Number 04 ngayon. Hinaharas ni number 1. Screen by number 27. Nakawala! Hinagis na lang yung bola. Foul. Foul number 23. Pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. Number 04. Basket. Lastro. Two for two para kay number 04. Number 13. Nagtitipon sa gitna. Pass to number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1. Pass to number 14. Long two, short. Naribon yun ni number 23. Hinagis na lang yung bola. Naribon ni number 12. Number 12 ngayon. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Libre. Blah! Foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Two shots again. First shot's good para kay number 21. Last throw. No good. Nariban ni number 14, 1 out of 2 para kay number 21. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13 ngayon nagmamadali. Number 13 ngayon penetrate fires. Foul. Foul number 12. First personal foul. First team foul. 12 daw. Two shots para kay number 13. No good. Last throw. Para kay number 13. 1-2. Number 04, binababa ang bola. Number 04, stop and pump 3, short. Niligtas, number 30, to follow up. Parang ano, sinandok yung papaitan. Hoy! Lost the handle. Substitution.
Di ba kailangan yung dami?
Parang inabot yung alak, no? Akin na, ito na. Ginanon yung alak eh. Number 21, pass to 04. No look pass, na steal. Number 8 ngayon. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8 pa rin. Si number 8 pa rin yan. Siya pa rin. To number 13 taking a 3. No goal. Number 23. Lost the handle. Natapikan ni number 23. Nakuha ni 02. Natapikan. Foul. Who's foul ref? Foul number 27. First personal foul. Second team foul. Hold the ball, red sub. Good. Inbound by 02 to number 8. Taking tray. No. Na-rebound pa rin ni number 23 pa rin. Tibay sa rebound. Who's foul rep? Foul number 30. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots. Number 23. First shot's good. No good, 1-2. Mananatili sa kanilang bola. 0-2, fires. In and out. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 23. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Third team foul. Both team, Number 21. Number 21 yun, in the ISO. Fires. Short. Number 30. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds. Number 21. No good. Rebound by number 6. Fresh 14. Number 13. Agis. No good. Rebound by number 9. 13. Pass to number 8. Number 8 ngayon. Number 8 ngayon. Bounce pass to number 02. Pinasa pa kay number 20. No good. Nag-rebound pa rin ni number 8. Nakuha ngayon. Natapigan ni number 23. Nakakuha pa rin ni number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13 ngayon nagmamadali. Number 13 natapigan ni number 5. Ganda pasa doon. Para kay number 21. Easy 2 points. Para kay number 21.
Dead ball.
Number 13. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 13 again. Number 13. Pass to number 02. Lumabas ang bola. Nakakuha pa rin ng number 20. Number 20 ngayon. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Down to 10. Number 23. Teardrop. Si 2 points. Para kay number 23. Number 21 ngayon. Taking free. Green. Score po natin ay 38-31 in favor of STM Wolves. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23. Last 6 seconds to shoot. Number 8. No good. Time out. Onside Dragons. Number 12 to 11. Number 11 ngayon. Pass to number 5. Taking three, no hesitation. No good. Nariba ni number 13 ngayon. Napakamadali. Number 13 ngayon. Masusubsub pa. Number 13. Pass to number 03. Okay. Pass to number 02. Umikot. Pass to number 11. No good from baseline. Number 8. Clear drop. No good pa rin. Nariba pa rin ni number 02. Number 02 ngayon. Number 02 to number 11. Number 11. No good pa rin. Naribon na ngayon ni number 12. Na-steal ni number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13 steal from behind. Hinagis. Hindi mahabol. Kala ko uwi na eh. Rekta uwi oh. Masyadong malakas ang basa. Dead ball ah. Dead ball quiz. Number 8. Pass to number 11. Natapikan number 11 pa rin. Number 11 pa rin. Number 03. Last one. Shot clock violation. Hold the ball red. Substitution.
Papasok, labas, lalabas.
Number 04. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 13. No good. Nabigla lang. Number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Pass to number 02. To number 11. Pumoste. Hinagis. No good. Naribo ni number 30. Na-steal ni number 1. Puro turnover na. Number 1 to number 03. Pinasa ka number 8. Number 8, baseline, no good. Naribo naman ni number 02. Pass to number 03. Number 03, no good pa rin. Naribo pa rin ni number 12. Number 12 na ngayon. 2 on 1. Na-steal pa rin. Dead ball ako is. Number 1. Number 1, dire-diretso. Number 1. Nilabas. Pass to number 8. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Number 02. Long two. No good. Naribo ni number 30. Pass to number 04. Number 04 ngayon ibang madali. Number 04 pinasa kay number. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 02. Hold the ball rep. Substitution. Third personal foul. Warning na. Third pa lang. Warning to penalty. First shot, in and out para kay number 12. One out of 2. Substitution. Hindi ko po alam sa kanila po. Ilan ba daw po time out? Hindi ko tuloy nakita. Sa kabila daw. Tig-dalawa daw. 2-3 daw po. Foul. Foul number 1. Hold the ball rep ha. Hold the ball. Ilan na ang foul si Juan niya? First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Number 11. Pass to number 30. Antay lang ako ng pasa. Ako na bahala. Yan. Grabe. Number 8. Number 8 ngayon. Long 3. Bang! 3 points para kay number 8. Number 11, pass to number 9, Spain. Na, di lang na-convert. Number 8 again. Number 8, pass to number 1. Number 8, naghanap na mapapasahan. Pass to number 03. Pass to number 11, natapikan, nakuha pa rin. Tinira na, no good. Siya pa rin, umikot. Siya pa rin. Nariban na ni number 11 behind the back. Last 35 seconds. Number 04. Foul. Foul number 1. Second personal foul penalty. In and out in the first draw. Last draw para kay number 04. 102. Score po natin ay 42-37 in favor of SCM Wolves. Number 1, Corpus. Number 1, bumap, nabitawan, nakuha ni number 14, fade away, no good. Nariba ni number 04. Number 04, nagmamadali. Number 04, all alone. 2 points. Last 8 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Last 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. In favor of FCM Wolves. Yun na po tayo sa final quarter and the decision. Number 04. Taking three. No good. Nariba ni number 14. Nang gigigil pa rumiba, no? Number 8. Pass to number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Pass to number 1. Taking three. Short then. Number 04. Number 04. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Cross-coast pass to number 14. Hindi mahabol. Bola ng onside. Number 13. Pass to number 8. Deep 3. No good. Ariboni. Number 27. Number 27 yon. Number 27, paso number 04. Niluwa. Number 12, Tupalo. Wow! 2 points. Number 8. Cross-coast pass to number 13, Teardrop. No good. Rebound by number 23. Umikot. Hinira. No good. Siya pa rin. Siya pa rin yan. Foul. Foul number 27. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Rep, Odi lang.
Number 04. Number 04. Pass to number 12. Short. Off. Kita ka ni Rep. Foul number 12. Third, second personal foul. Both team, first team foul. Number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Pass to number 8. Number 8 ngayon. No. Nariban niya ni number 14. No good pa rin. Number 13. Pinilit. Dead ball, kuya. Number 04. Foul number 1. Third personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Number 04. Pass to number 12. Taking 3. 3. Number 1. Lumupo na po sa 10 ang kalamangan. Number 23. Hinagis na lang yung bola. Number 04. Number 04 ngayon. Nagmamadali. Number 04. Finit bet. 2 points. Number 13. Pass to number 02. No good. 23 pa din. 2 points. Number 30, bam! Time out, onside Dragons.
Konti na lang.
Is brought to you by Lolaco. Hindi lang mapapagawa ng live sa pisa. Ang live. Pero laban ng SCM versus Honsan.
Back to the ball game. Number 02. Easy 2 points. Nice pick and roll. Number 21. Number 21 yun. Pass to number 14. No good. Naribo ni number 23. Na steal. 21 foul. Foul number 23. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots. Number 21. No good. Last throw. Para kay number 21. 102. Hold the ball ref. Substitution. Number 13. Stop and pump three. No good. Rebound by number 02. Naghanap ng mapapasan to number 8. Hinagi is to number 23 pa rin. Block from behind. Nakuha ni 02. Binigay kay number 23. Hook shot. No. Nariban ni number 04. Nilegan. Nalegan si Kuya. Ball number 02. Number 02, warning to foul out. Second team foul. Number 30, mas usog-sog. Hold the ball ref, substitution.
Pasok po, pasok.
Pasok po tayo. Hold the ball ref, substitution pa. Number 13. Number 13 ngayon. Pass to number 8 to number 02 to number 23. 2 points. foul and one. Foul number 21. First personal foul, third team foul. Bonus shot. Basket. Complete 3-point play. Bumaba na lang po sa 8 ang kalamangan ng SCM Wolves. Number 04, binitbit na, masyado malakas. 0-2 ngayon. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Lumayo, lost the handle. Pass to number 08, wide open three, short. Naribon yung number 73. Pass to number 21. Number 21. No goal. Dead ball. Pass to number 11. Number 11 ngayon, fires. No goal. Naribon yung number 8. Nakakuha ngayon ni number 21. Number 21 yan, nagmamadali. Number 21, number 21, number 21, number 21. Easy 2 points. Alam mo, nagrarap, no? Number 13, pass to number 8, pass to number 02, no! Nakakuha ni number 21. High pass to number 04, sa'yo na, binigay mo pa, sa akin ka talaga, wala pa rin! Masyadong nilaro. Number 23, 2 points. Time out. SCM Wolves. Nilaro nila.
Ang luwag daw po ng depensa. Basta tayo mo. Ilayo mo na.
Habap. Mahaba-haba pa po yung oras. Number 12. Nilabas ang bola, pass to number 11. Drive, binali, foul. Useful rep. 0-2. Graduate. Fouled out ka na po. First shot's no good. Last throw.
Foul out po si Eric Ming.
No good pa rin. Nakakuha pa rin. Number 11, wala pa rin. Nakakuha nila number 14. Number 1. Number 1 yung dire-diretso. Number 1. Foul. Down. Useful rep. Ball number 73. First personal foul. Third team foul. Imbang by number 40 still. Servo. Tumama sa tuhod. Holdable rep substitution.
Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas.
Number 23, pass to number 1. Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Mahaba pa yan. Number 13, pick and roll. Pass to number 14, fade away again. No good. Number 14 pa rin. No good pa din talaga. Number 21, sumenyas ng teka lang. Nakawala. Pass to number 12. Wala pa rin. Siya pa rin. Umikot. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha naman ng number 21. Fresh 14. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Down to 3. No good. Nakaribang yun yung number 8. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 13 ngayon. Number 13 pass to number 23. Number 23 drives. No good. Nariban ni number 14. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8 short. Nariban ni number 14. Fade away. No. Nariban ni number 04. Pass to number 11. Akin na to. Sampu na naman po ang kalamangan. 1 minute. Number 1, foul. And 1. Okay, wala. Foul number 11. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. Last throw. No good pa din. Bola ng SCM Wolves. Last 54.8 seconds. Server ngayon, binababa ang bola. Server na steal. 2 on 1. Libreng-libre ngayon si number 13. 2 points. Steal! Steal by number 1. Nay, napitawan ba? Foul! Who's ball rep? Foul number 12.
Tama ito ba ito?
Pass. Tamang pass.
Dalawa pa daw. Hold the ball rep, time out. Time out. SCM Wolves. Ilan na po yung 12, kuya?
Third personal foul. Penalty.
Kinabahan pa sa 8. Stimak na.
Back to the ballgame. 2 shots.
No good. Last throw para kay number 13. No good pa din. Siya pa naka-rebound. Foul. Foul number 04. First personal foul penalty. First shot good. Last throw. Mababa yan. 28.4 seconds. 2 for 2. 6 lang. Pass defense. Good defense. Jump ball. Same ball sa onside. Ganda ng depensa.
Ako nagpalit ng bola. Doon natalo. Bisado na lang isang bola.
Inbound by number 1. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 1. Dumray. Number 1, reverse layup, no. Number 27. Why? Foul. Foul number 21. Second personal foul penalty. No go. Last throw. No good pa din. 10 seconds. Foul. Foul number 1. Number 4, number 1, warning to fouled out. Warning to penalty. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations both team, especially sa SCM Wolves. Both team shake hands po tayo.